Rolling? Check, check. Marami nakakamiss dito, oh. Magkasama sa isang frame.
Miss ko rin siya. Hindi ko nakita.
Pero, parang ano,
Yeah, more or less.
Did the project together.
You were in Cebu together with me a few months ago, 6, 7 months ago.
it's so good to see you guys together.
Well, it's so good to see her. We miss her. I miss
Right.
working with her also.
Wala bang chance na kayo ay magsasama ulit sa isang proyekto?
Ano nga lang, hindi ko alam. At yun ang dapat yung abangan ng mga tatay.
Oo nga.
Kaya lang ating reunion project.
I think we should give a shout out to ABS-CBN.
So, doon mo kami paasahin, ha?
Oh, hindi naman ako makaasa.
Dapat galing sa kanila kasi kami, we just go where we're told to go.
Kung ano yung working, we do what we're after.
Ilang years na nga ba? Since you guys last worked together?
5 years. No. We did a movie after 2015. Yeah, after that. Last year.
Last
Parang
year.
tagal na, no?
Oo.
September of last year.
I think we're missing that, that kilig together eh. That Maya and Serge. Sorry, hindi namin maalis talaga sa isip namin
I
eh.
think it's also because na si Be Careful With My Heart is still showing
Yeah.
sa Jeepney nga ba? I want.
Okay.
I want na, yeah. But it's being shown all over the world. We now have people from South Africa, Cameroon, and they're saying that they're watching Be Careful With My Heart. So until now, there's still, people still watch it on, there's still IGTV.
Right.
And I want also.
And I want. Oo.
Nandun pa rin yung gusto nila na makita daw kami dalawa.
Merry Christmas. How are you going to spend the holidays?
Of course, holidays with friends, with family, as usual.
Right. It's always been a tradition for Julie. Lumalabas kayo, di ba? Saan kayo this time?
So for me and Kirby, it's Spain and Portugal.
Iniisa-isa mong Europe, ha? Iceland ka last year, ha? Ikaw naman, Sergi.
We were supposed to go to Spain also
Okay.
for this Christmas, but we changed our mind. We're going to Chicago.
Malamig. Windy.
So, yun. Dapat nagkita tayo if we were supposed to. At the last minute, we changed.
Right. Last question, how does it feel we're doing this big Christmas celebration for our familias?
Always naman respect, especially yung team natin this year is so balanced this year. And I think, naman talaga is the essence of Christmas.
That's right.
It's very inspiring. We can see how much we've affected people and how much good we've brought into this world also. So